Click on Cloud Assets from the inventory. Filter assets by date to zero in on potential vulnerabilities from specific timeframes, perfect for investigating incidents or compliance audits. Filter cloud assets using a date range picker. Select scan dates to include. Focused findings mean faster fixes. With date-filtered assets, you can address issues exactly where and when they arise. Custom labels give you control over chaos. Filter assets by labels you define, targeting your security strategy to specific environments or functions. Group assets to streamline management, whether by project, environment, or criticality. Select assets to be grouped. Not all assets are equal. Create groups to prioritize security efforts. The named group isn't just a label, it's a strategy for future-proofing your cloud. This will group the selected assets. You can either create a new group or add selected assets to an existing one. Give your group a name. This will be used to filter assets later. Quickly filter by groups to manage your security posture efficiently. Instant clarity, view assets as per your groupings and ensure each segment of your cloud is secure. Filter by category to focus on the critical configurations that could pose the highest risks. Configuration errors can lead to breaches. By filtering to show only configuration-related assets, you can target these high-risk areas with precision. You can also sort the assets alphabetically. Global cloud environments require regional focus. Filter assets by region to address local compliance requirements or regional threats. Alert fatigue is real. Limit asset listings to a manageable range to avoid being overwhelmed. Color-coded findings let you assess risk at a glance. Red indicates its high severity, orange moderate severity, and yellow indicates low severity. View an individual asset and dive deep into its security posture. Clicking here will open a detailed findings view. After diving into details, navigate back to the full asset listing to maintain a holistic view of your cloud security posture.